subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with a link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Australia. This is a really cool box, I'm sure, and it comes by way of Ferengi, who is one of the moderators in our Ramen Junkies group. I have the sad duty of informing you, if you are part of the group, that one of our moderators died on the last Sunday. Guy named Jamie Burridge, and he was a big asset to the group and a personal friend. And there will be a special post in his honor about his favorite variety, which was Mike Wally Penang White Curry, and it'll have a little bit of information about him and the life he led and what a cool guy he was. So yeah, pretty bummed in our little community. So anyways, with that, let's crack this open and see what she sent. Wow. All right, so there's a ton of stuff in this box, and let's just get started looking at all of it because it's pretty cool. All right, for the Shin junkies out here, check this out. I'm noticing on the back a lot of it is in Thai, and I think this might be a tom yum stir fry Shin ramen. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up, but it's got some person on there. Maybe it's named after them. Maybe it's just a special variety honoring them. I don't know, but we'll find out soon. Okay, this is the Tom Yum. So I don't know if the other one has a special flavor. Maybe this J-Fi? I don't know. But Tom Yum Shin ramen. And here's another Shin variety. This is the stir fry with cheese. This is pretty new, so wow, very cool. So she sent me a message when she was out shopping for noodles and said, have you tried this? There's like no English on it whatsoever. And I was just looking around on it and I couldn't find any until I looked on the bottom. All the stuff is on the bottom. It's a vermicelli noodle. An egg. I wonder if there's an egg in there. Vermicelli, noodle, vegetable, and egg. Interesting. And on the bottom of this one, it says the same thing. So I don't know if there's going to be 3 different varieties or 3 different packagings for the same variety. I'm going to guess there are 3 different varieties, and they're going to need some research because, yep, there's a third one. So cool. I'm looking forward. I like doing the research part, trying to suss out what this is, what flavor it is, what would go right with it if somebody was making it at home in their respective country. So that'll be fun. And here's a Maggi variety. This is Tom Yum Ka, and see here up in the corner it says Shiok. That's a Singaporean term, so I'm guessing this is going to be from Maggi Singapore, which are made in Malaysia. Bet you didn't know that. And I'm incredibly stoked about this one. Thank you so much. This is the Vegemite Maggi, and I believe this is made only for Australia. Vegemite is an Australian, it's brewer's yeast. It's like fermented yeast, I believe. Kind of like Marmite, which it's pretty good, but I guess we'll see. Okay, and this is Maggi Chili a la Kampong Goreng. So this is going to be a dry, kind of like a mee goreng. I believe Kampong is that in Malaysia? So this might be for the Singaporean audience. It might just be for Malaysia. I don't know, but we'll find out. And here's one that I believe came from a multi-pack with the multi-pack around it. The package might just have a clear packaging, but this appears to be a duck variety. Very cool. Maybe salted duck egg? I don't know. Looks interesting. And this is very Malaysian. This is from a company called Vits. This is their dried chili pan mee. So it's going to be a dry noodle with a lot of spiciness to it. That's my guess. And another one of these neat Maggi varieties, a curry ka. So it's going to be a curry. I don't know the ka part. It's showing egg and looks like tofu puff. So yeah, cool. And another one from Vitz. This is their pan mi goreng pedas. So it's a pan mi and it's spicy chili dry. So maybe the other one wasn't dry. I don't know. And here's yet another Indomie variety I have not tried. This is Indomie mie instan rasa Ramon pedas mercon. Is it Ramon? Oh, Rawan pedas mercon. I know. Let's see, Khas Jawa Timur. So it's from a specific area. It's a dish popular in a specific area of Indonesia. That's what this range is about. So cool. Thank you. Ah, look at this. A mommy chef variety. Very Malaysian. This is, it's a mee goreng. Mee goreng laksa nanya. It's really a mee goreng? That's weird. I've never seen anything like that before. Nanya is like a combination of Chinese, Malaysian, and Indian cuisine. So this is going to be good. And finally, she threw in a couple treats, or a trio of treats. Caramello koalas. I know who will like those. Rad. Thank you very much. All right. Well, thank you very much to Ferengi for sending this. And yeah, I really appreciate it. And keep your eyes out for that special post about our friend Jamie Burridge. That'll be coming out fairly soon. I've got to gather some stuff up so I can do a really extra special review in his honor. And yeah, so, all right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.